Extreme Performance
1024 doors from the Cookson Company provide superior security combined with rapid opening speeds and exceptional cycle life.
1024 doors are proven to perform for over 1 million cycles at an opening speed of 24 inches per second. That's 3 times faster than standard coiling or overhead sectional doors. 1024 doors provide high cycle performance where you need it most. Increased productivity at high traffic openings. Maximize energy savings by quickly sealing your building to reduce temperature loss. Improve security and prevent unwanted entry at sensitive openings. Reduced maintenance and replacement costs with the 1024 doors' proven cycle performance and sustainable design. Available in single slat or insulated curtain configurations, 1024 doors are built to withstand up to 20 psf maximum wind load or a wind speed of approximately 88 miles per hour. More importantly, 1024 doors are fully operational up to a maximum wind load of 10 psf. Designed to maximize your return on investment, the 1024 door provides you with the lowest lifetime cost and lowest cost per cycle versus other high-speed slatted products. And its cost per cycle savings dramatically increase when compared to standard coiling doors that may be mistakenly considered for high cycle openings. Plus, if vehicle impact ever occurs, only the 1024 door's unique serviceability features and fast access to replacement parts can quickly and cost-effectively return your opening to full operation. Make your decision with confidence. The 1024's proven performance and low maintenance requirements are backed by Cornell's comprehensive 5-year warranty on all mechanical and electrical components. Extreme Performance 1024 doors
from the Cookson Company. High cycle performance where you need it most.